Hi and welcome to Love Dynasty. In today's video, we'll show you how to make a man fall madly in love with you. We'll give you 10 tips on making a guy like you. Do you want to make a man fall in love with you forever? You might be asking this question because you like a guy very much and you are looking forward to make him feel the same for you. He is the man of your dreams and you adore him so much. You want him by your side right now, but unfortunately, you still don't have him. You are willing to do whatever it takes for him to chase you and like you, and also fall madly in love with you. So the first thing you are supposed to do is not to lose hope. Don't lose hope. If you want a guy to fall in love with you, you have to be hopeful at all times. Losing hope can be a disease, not only in trying to win the heart of a man, but also in all things that we do in our day-to-day life. Hope for the best, but don't lose sight of the reality. When pursuing a man and wanting him to fall in love with you, there are definitely two likely outcomes, which are: 1. He falls in love with you. 2. He might reject your advances. So when pursuing the love of a man, it's important to be hopeful and stay positive. 2. Be yourself. When trying to make a man fall in love to you, it is very important to be yourself and not to be someone else when it comes to personality and character. If you are pretending to be different to your true self when trying to make a guy like you, then you are not doing yourself any favor. By trying not to be yourself, you are clearly indicating that you are not comfortable with yourself. Many guys will easily notice this shortcoming and quickly become disinterested. You might be able to keep the facade up for a week, months, or even years, but sooner or later, you will grow tired of hiding your true personality, and he will get tired of trying to figure out who truly you are, what you really like, and so on. The best relationship is a long relationship. When a man falls madly in love with you, you want that love to last, so be yourself right from the start. 3. Be aware of your appearance. Don't let your appearance let you down. Your appearance can make you win or lose when it comes to dating. To please a man and to make him get interested in you, you should be presentable. Be aware of what you are wearing, whether or not your hair is clean, or if you are dressed appropriately. Of course, you want to look sexy for the man you want to fall in love with you, but sex appeal doesn't necessarily mean body hugging, clothing, and lots of cleavage. Choose your clothing and your style to match your occasion, but be aware of how you look. Do your best to look as good as you can, no matter where you are going. You never know when you might unexpectedly bump into a man of your dreams. 4. Show confidence. Confidence is key. Sure, some women seem to make a career out of catching men by playing the victim or the helpless female. But have you ever noticed how seemingly helpless souls who catch men by being so needy actually set their traps with confidence and precision? Without confidence, you risk being left behind. If you want a guy to like you, you need to have a sense of confidence in yourself that will ultimately make you approach him without fear or sensing of any danger. Liking yourself makes it easy for him to like you too. You are a good person with very special qualities. Be confident that you are worthy of being loved. 5. Smile and laugh. When you are working on ways to make a guy fall in love with you, it is essential to smile and laugh. Don't present an unfriendly face. Be as outgoing, friendly, and social as you feel comfortable being. Guys generally like girls with a sense of humor who can make them feel good. Tell him enjoyable stories and don't be afraid to laugh. Remember not to go overboard and look like a comedian. It is great to have a partner who is enjoyable and outgoing, but very people like the idea of living with a comedian. 6. You have to give and not just take. To increase your chances of him falling in love with you, a man can easily differentiate between a girl who wants something from him and one who cares for him. There are certainly girls who are after money. They are the gold diggers. Differentiate yourself from the typical gold digger and let him see that you are interested in him for his love and not for his money or any other material thing. 7. Let him also put some extra effort in. If you keep chasing after a man for months while he is going on with his activities, you will most likely be seen as a desperate woman. Being available to him always is not really a good thing. Don't let him get bored. Instead, allow him to make advances towards you. Many men enjoy the thrill of the chase, catch his eye and his attention, and then let him work a little to win you over. Let him notice how much he misses you when you are not around. As soon as he suspects he's fallen in love with you, he will definitely do something to get you. 8. Get to know and understand what he does. This is something that could dramatically increase your chances of winning his love. Take opportunities to get involved in things he does. Ask him whether he needs any help to accomplish a task. If he discovers that you are keenly interested in his plans, he will see that you care for him, and that could be a good partner. 9. Have patience and don't push him too hard to make important decisions. Patience will definitely pay off. Be patient and go slow when trying to make a man fall in love with you. Don't expect him to fall in love or say yes to your advances instantly. Many men will definitely need time to decide whether he is ready to enter into a relationship with you or not. If he likes you, he will make it obvious, but don't ever push him to make a decision on whether he likes you or not. 10. Be different from other women. If many women are competing for his attention and are trying very hard to make him fall in love with them, differentiation will definitely give you the cutting edge. Give or show him tangible or intangible evidence to suggest that you are the best option for him. And a bonus tip: have good morals.